This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. In continuation of our topic, how to write Python programs in Notepad or for that matter in any other editor and execute them on the console.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
I am going to give the second example. So let's open the Notepad. I'm going to write down a very simple program. Let's open Notepad, and here I am going to type my simple program. Before that, let me increase the font. Let it be 16 or something. Okay, so here I am going to have a variable var1, assigning it value, suppose 1000, var2 is equal to suppose 900.9876 something. So we have already studied about type method that will give you the data type. var3 is equal to, suppose it's Mahajan's 919812164949. Okay, so I'm going to use print, then type var1. So it's going to give the data type of var1, which is of course integer. Then again print type var2. Obviously the data type of var2 is float, so float will be printed. Print type var3, and as the data type of var3 is string, string will be printed. So it's a simple program. Before that, let me do some calculation also. What I will do is, suppose var4 is equal to var1 into, this is called typecasting. I am writing int and then the name of the variable var2. Now what does it mean? This is typecasting, right? Let me give the comment. Typecasting being used in the following statement. Okay, so that means originally var2 happens to be a float data type, but here I will typecast it into integer. So here var2, only integer part of var2 will be picked up. So that is, it won't be 900.9876, it will be only 900 at this place where I have typecasted it. Similarly, you can typecast an int into float, vice versa is also true. Okay, so here I am going to print and let me correct the spellings. var4 is equal to plus str var4. I used str because var4 is of integer type, is of numeric type, so plus is the concatenation symbol. Both the sides should have the same data type. str will convert it into string. Okay, so let's save the program. As I have already told you that whatever name you give to the program, that is okay, but extension ought to be py. So I am going to give it the name second.py. Press enter. It is in the folder temp or whatever folder you want to save your program in. Okay, so press on start, click on start, go to cmd. So here I am going to change the folder. cd/temp will take me to the folder, to the directory temp. Here I would write, you might be remembering, first we are supposed to give the name of the application Python, then we will give the name of our program, which was second.py. Okay, the program has been executed successfully. So with class it gives the data type, as you know, int float str. str stands for string, and var4 is equal to this value 900,000 that is getting printed. Here I have used typecasting. So I have typecasted var2 float data type variable into integer. So this is how we have learned, this is how we can write our Python programs in Notepad or for that matter in any text editor and execute them on the console. But if we have got a very powerful IDE like PyCharm and other IDs, there is I think you will never like to type your programs in Notepad and executing them on console. So this was just a demonstration, so that when if you are encountered with the need of writing and typing your programs in Notepad and console window respectively, you shouldn't face any problem.